I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious French toast rolls. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 slices of your favorite bread, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and a dash of cinnamon and sugar. Make sure you have a shallow dish ready for dipping. This easy recipe is perfect for a quick and delightful breakfast treat. Now let's prepare our bread. Take each slice and use a rolling pin to flatten it as much as possible, making it thin and pliable. For a cleaner look, you can trim off the crusts. Next, in your shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and a generous pinch of cinnamon. This will be our flavorful dipping mixture. It's time to cook. Carefully dip each flattened, crustless bread slice into the egg mixture, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with about 1 tablespoon of butter. Place the dipped rolls in the hot pan and cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Almost done. While the French toast rolls are still warm, roll them generously in a prepared mixture of cinnamon and sugar. This adds a wonderful sweet and spicy coating. Serve these delightful rolls immediately with your favorite maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. They are a fantastic, easy-to-make treat for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.